Windshield and rear wipers need to be cleaned and kept in good condition to give you a clear view. These should be inspected for wear or cracking every 3 to 6 months and should be replaced periodically to avoid further damage. Replacement blades come in different types and are removed in different ways depending on your vehicle. For the proper type and length, check your vehicle's owner manual or talk to the certified service experts at your local GMC dealership. Here's how to replace the front wiper blade. First, pull the wiper assembly away from the windshield. Depending on your vehicle, you can release the old wiper blade by pressing the release button on the top side of the wiper, by pressing the release lever in the middle of the wiper blade, or by lifting up the latch in the middle of the wiper blade. Once released, remove the old wiper blade, then install the new one by reversing the steps until it clicks into place. Now let's replace the rear wiper blade, but first you need to remove the protective cover. Just slide a plastic tool under the cover and push it upward to unsnap. Then slide it toward the wiper blade tip to unhook and remove it from the assembly. Next, lift the wiper arm away from the rear windshield. Push the wiper blade away from the wiper arm, or in some vehicles, you will need to press the release lever first. Once it disengages, remove the wiper blade by sliding it off the arm, and finally, push the new blade assembly securely on the wiper arm. When replacing the wiper blades, do not allow the wiper arm to touch the windshield when no wiper blade is installed. This could damage your windshield. GMC certified service expert technicians can also check the wiper blades for you and replace them when needed. While you're there, ask for a multi-point vehicle inspection to see how your vehicle is doing overall. This may be at an additional cost depending on your dealer. When you want to schedule a service with the GMC certified service experts, you can do so through the My GMC mobile app, in vehicle through the center display, or on the GMC website. Bold moves require great vision. Let the GMC certified service experts help you on the road ahead.